Hi everybody, this is Dale Sorgen, one of your candidates for the office of Governor of the great state of Washington, and this is a moment to imagine liberty. The debate over taxes is really never ending and it's very confusing, but regardless of its complexity, the debate can be easily summarized by saying that the goal of any tax system that we're aware of or that we're familiar with is for the government to make sure that every person pays their share according to what they have. If you have more money, the goal of the tax systems that we're familiar with is to take proportionally more of your money. That's fairly simple to understand. Whether it's through a progressive income tax, which takes more of your money as you work hard to earn more money, or whether it's through a regressive consumption tax like a sales tax or an excise tax that takes your hard-earned money as you spend it to buy the things that you need and desire. The point of the tax system as we know it is to make sure that everyone pays their fair share according to what they have. But the idea of taxing people based upon their level of income and their ability to spend is fundamentally flawed. First, taxing hardworking people based upon their income and ability to spend is flawed because it gives the government the authority to decide how much of their own money people should be allowed to keep. This really should violate every sense of decency that we've ever known, that the government should be allowed to take from people what it determines to be the correct amount. It's shameful to me. Secondly, though, taxing hardworking people based upon their income and ability to spend is flawed because it fundamentally gives power to people through their elected representatives to take from their fellow citizens if they feel that someone has earned too much. Fairness of taxation is ultimately defined then by the majority, much like two wolves and a sheep voting on what to have for dinner. Third, taxing hardworking people based upon their income and ability to spend is flawed because it makes assumptions about how much some people contribute to society and how much others take from society. But finally, taxing hardworking people based upon their income and their ability to spend is flawed because it never allows for honest corrections. If the budget that year cannot be met and the majority of the voters are tax beneficiaries or at least tax neutral, it will always be decided that those who have more income must pay more. It's a never-ending cycle that is inherent to the flawed system, not to the people. The only honest system of self-correcting form of taxation is the issuance of an annual tax bill. Each year the state should gather the state budget along with the county and the city budgets, and they should produce a tax bill for every citizen and corporation in accordance with where they live. It is only in this way that the honest, hardworking people will be able to make a true judgment about the efficiency and the effectiveness of their government and the services that are being provided and their ability to pay. People are tired and they want transparency and honesty in their government. If we don't endeavor to change the system, we'll never correct this problem. I invite you to check out our website at www.imagineliberty.us to find out more about our Imagine Liberty campaign. If you've already decided which side you're going to vote for this year because that is the side that you've always voted for, and you're still convinced that it is all the other side's fault, don't worry, you're in luck because one of the political sides will have the candidate that is just right for you. But if you're willing, I would like to invite you to join us this year to break the cycle and have the courage to think independent.